Using a Capital One virtual card for payments anywhere is a convenient process, and I'll walk you through it today. If you have a virtual card stored in your app and want to use it for in-store purchases, you can add it to either your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. For Apple Wallet integration, begin by accessing your iOS device settings. Navigate to the Wallet and Apple Pay option. If you haven't added a card before, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. Choose to enter card details manually since virtual cards cannot be added automatically. Input the card number, name, expiration date, and CVV. Once added, you can make contactless payments at any store that accepts Apple Pay. The process is similar for Google Wallet integration. Access your device settings and navigate to the appropriate option to add a card. Input the virtual card details manually and complete the setup. When making a purchase in store, simply hold your device near the contactless payment terminal. Your virtual card from Apple or Google Wallet will be recognized, allowing you to complete the transaction seamlessly. By following these steps, you can easily utilize your Capital One virtual card for in-store payments, providing a convenient and secure payment method.